This leaf has been sitting in muddy, stagnant water for weeks. But look closely, it's spotless. No dirt, no grime, no water stains. For centuries, this was seen as a divine mystery in Ayurvedic tradition. Today, in 2026, it's the blueprint for a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure revolution. Welcome to the age of the Lotus Effect. The botanical blueprint of purity. The Nelumbo nucifera, the Sacred Lotus, doesn't stay clean because it's smooth. It stays clean because it's incredibly rough, at least at the nanoscale. The air cushion effect. Under a microscope, the surface of a lotus leaf isn't flat. It's a forest of tiny, waxy nanopillars. Super hydrophobicity. When water hits these pillars, it can't soak in. Instead, it traps a layer of air beneath it. The physics. The water forms a near-perfect sphere. As it rolls off, it acts like a microscopic vacuum cleaner, picking up every speck of dust and debris in its path. From ancient wisdom to nanoscale engineering. We've known about this for decades, but 2026 is the year we finally perfected the replication. We've moved past the ancient method of using toxic chemical sprays. The 2026 breakthrough, synthetic polymers. The transition from traditional materials to new-era nanomimetic surfaces marks a radical shift in how we maintain our built environment. While traditional surfaces are defined by high friction that inherently traps dirt and grime, these new engineered interfaces boast ultra-low friction that actively repels contaminants. This physical evolution fundamentally changes our cleaning protocols. We are moving away from the heavy use of chemical detergents in favor of letting natural rainfall and gravity do the work. The result is a staggering increase in efficiency, replacing labor. Intensive manual scrubbing with a structural design that is 99% self-cleansing. Revolutionizing the urban metabolism. Imagine a city that washes itself. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening in our new pilot projects. Self-cleaning skyscrapers. In major metros, skyscraper facades are now coated in Lotus mimetic films. This has slashed municipal maintenance costs by billions. No more window washers hanging from 50 stories up. The morning dew does the work. The solar efficiency leap. By applying this to solar panels, we've solved the dust problem. Solar farms now maintain 98% energy efficiency year-round because light absorption is never blocked by grime. Groundwater protection. Because these surfaces don't need industrial detergents, we've stopped the flow of toxic phosphates into our urban aquifers. The Civil Servant's Guide to Ecological Restoration. If you are a city administrator or a policy maker, the Lotus policy is your new best friend. It's the ultimate tool for sustainable development goals. Policy shift. New government-funded civil engineering projects are now required to use biomimetic infrastructure. The strategic balance. Immediate cost. Yes, nanocoatings have a higher upfront price point than traditional paint. The dividend. Within 5 years, the savings on water usage, labor, and chemical procurement create an ecological dividend that pays for the project twice over. A future beyond chemical dependency. We are standing at a crossroads. For 200 years, we tried to keep our world clean by poisoning it with soap and bleach. Now, we are looking back to the lotus. Ocean health. By reducing the need for surfactants, we are seeing a measurable decrease in microplastic runoff and chemical dead zones in our oceans. Living infrastructure. We are moving toward a world where our bridges, roads, and buildings function like a living ecosystem, maintaining their own integrity through natural design. The secret wasn't in a lab, it was in the pond all along. We just had to learn how to see it. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is biomimetic.